Looking for easy ways to bring greenery indoors? Today, we'll explore the beauty and benefits of indoor plants, showcasing 7 varieties that not only purify the air, but also add a touch of nature's charm. Stay tuned to discover which plants can transform your indoor spaces with ease. Starting our list is the resilient snake plant. Known for its air-purifying prowess, this plant asks for little but gives a lot. It thrives even in low light, making it perfect for indoor spaces. For those who lack a green thumb, the snake plant is a great choice. Next up, we have the lush and trailing pothos. This plant is a quick grower, filling your space with its beautiful cascading vines. Not to mention, it's a champion at adapting to various light conditions. Pothos truly brings a touch of the wild indoors. Third on our list is the elegant peace lily. Known for its captivating white flowers, this plant thrives even in low light conditions. But its beauty isn't its only asset. The peace lily is also renowned for its air cleaning properties. The peace lily adds a touch of elegance to any room. Fourth, we have the exotic and beneficial aloe vera. This sun-loving gem thrives with minimal watering and is known for its myriad medicinal properties. It's a plant that not only embellishes your space but also brings health benefits. Aloe vera is a plant with beauty and benefits. Next, we introduce the hardy rubber plant. This towering beauty, with its large glossy leaves, can adapt to low-light conditions, making it a stress-free addition to your indoor garden. The rubber plant brings a tropical feel to your home. Sixth on our list, we have the vibrant ZZ plant. With its glossy, deep green leaves, it's a sight to behold. This hardy plant is known for its drought tolerance and ability to thrive in varying light conditions. The ZZ plant is a vibrant addition to any indoor space. Finally, we have the cheerful spider plant. Characterized by its unique shape, this plant not only adds a touch of elegance, but also purifies the air. Remarkably adaptable, it thrives in various light conditions. The spider plant brings cheer to any room. So there you have it, 7 easy-to-care-for plants to bring greenery indoors. We've explored the snake plant, pothos, peace lily, aloe vera, rubber plant, ZZ plant, and spider plant. Each brings unique charm and benefits to your space. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more plant and gardening tips. Happy planting!